Hi everyone, this is a tutorial on how to add an interactive Google slide to your class. First, I'm going to press Manage Subject, and then I'm going to go to my modules, and then I'm going to press the plus sign over the current week, and I'm going to create an assignment. I'm going to make sure it's indented so it matches the rest of my assignment and looks nice and consistent. Press Add Item. I can open it up to edit it. Press Edit the assignment. And then I'm going to scroll down, and I'm not going to put anything in the big box, but I'm going to make this where it's going to be 10 points. I'm going to make sure it goes into my assignment group. And the submission type, though, is going to be an external tool. I'm going to press Find on External Tool and scroll down to choose Google Assignments LTI 1.3. I can then log into my Google Drive, and then I'm going to find my assignment that I want to attach. Press Add. Make sure each student will get their own copy, and then press Create. I can set a due date in here or put a rubric, but I can also do that in Canvas. Press Select to finish, and there it is. It can load right inside Canvas, or you can load it in a new tab. When I practiced this on a student account, it worked better if it loaded right inside Canvas. I'm going to assign this to everyone, but I could also assign it to individual students if I liked. I'm going to add my due date and make it available from one date to another. So maybe I want this to be shown on Monday, and it's due on the 27th, so I'm going to make it available to be seen for maybe a couple weeks after in case there's late submissions, and then press Save. Now this is what I see on my end, but if you log in as a student, you will be able to see the assignment, students will open their class, go to their module, they'll be able to see the assignment, and they will link their Google account. They will then click on the assignment itself. In the assignment itself, it will create their own copy. They'll be able to move the pieces around that is in the Google Slides, and then it automatically saves. When they're ready to submit, they'll press Open to attach and submit, and then they'll press the Submit button and submit again. And that's it. That's how they turn in their assignment with an interactive Google slide.